Today we're going to show you why we're going to get this seat reupholstered and we're going to put the new carpet in. And the reason being is, you can see we got issues. It doesn't get much better on this side, guys. Not very appetizing to ride in. And if you look what's underneath the seat, I put this seat cover on. It's pretty nasty. I mean, wouldn't you say? I sat right here to drive this home. This is how we bought the car. Slant 6 at that time. But to get this seat cover off, we just got to lift up on this. And then we just got to take off these Phillips screwdrivers here. Now that we remove the screws, that just goes like that, guys. Easy enough. And now we're really starting to see.
It looks like a Cheez-It. Why was that?
I mean, I can ship this to somebody if they got use for it. And now that we got the screws out on this side, same deal. And now y'all get to see the seat. The buttons and stuff still work good. This was underneath the seat. That's not a good sign, but we need to find a upholstery shop that's gonna take care of us on this. Imagine that's gonna be $2. I got my whipper offer quicker and I sprayed those with PB Blaster. Now I should be able to lift that right out of there. So I'm just going to take this 13/16. It's not an impact socket, but I'm fine. And I'm going to get that seat belt off of each side. Hopefully. There's one. And I'll go over to the other side and I'll whip that off. These are just, I got my seat belt on type of a deal. There we have it. Okay, you ready? All right. That was easy enough. Looks like a little kid's glove. A few things. New mail code. No, couldn't be. Now the next thing we're going to do is take these off from here and pop this back seat out. The back seat, don't even have to loosen a bolt, just push back and lift. Easy enough. We're just going to take off a couple of screws. That one there I didn't even have to take off. And then sometimes you got to sit on the back seat and go like that, but a lot of times if you just hit it and pop it out of there, like that, it's hot, it's sweaty. I have never looked underneath this back seat. This does have a fold down back seat. You can go like this and down it comes, and then lay that down. Let's see what we got underneath here. See what we got here? Salt, better rate, lower fees. Aha! A piece of the original build sheet. That looks like something I dropped and couldn't find. Another one. You always wonder where those things end up. Cracker Jacks. Now, the last thing is just take off these screws right through here. Easy enough. And then these. All right, you lift this off. There you get to see the pretty color of the actual body. I'm taking real good care, you know, for you guys that all about originality and restoring, that I don't damage this carpet. That's one of you guys can give me $768 plus shipping. Oops, I forgot to get around that dimmer switch. Oh yeah, lovely. Look, we got floors. Should have wore a mask for this. Where's Duddy at when you need him? After vacuuming, I got out my wire wheel that goes on a 4-inch grinder, and this wheel is so much of a bristle that it'll actually throw sparks when you do it. I was looking for soft spots in the floor. I'll show you what I found. We'll start back here. There's nothing. This is all solid. What you see here is no more. You can see it over there. It's no more than just where there was no paint. But there's nothing. There's nothing on the back floorboards. Absolutely nothing. Either one, all the way up. So virtually, from where the seat bolts in all the way back, this is like new sheet metal, guys. Up here on the driver's floorboard, if you can come zoom in on this, I got a flashlight. This is all solid. The only place I found rust is right here on what I kind of call a toe board. Right here, I was able to get through with my grinder, and right here, I worked hard through some sparks and was able to get some through here. But that's probably just me being aggressive with that. And this right here, so I'm not replacing this floorboard. She's rock solid. This is a 12-ounce plastic hammer, so I don't dent things. And then let's go through on the other side. Let me crawl in here. Same thing over here. She's rock solid, but I was able to keep messing around till I got a little bit through right there. And guys, I couldn't even pass a sewing needle through that, I don't think. And then right there. And that's it. So what happens is, most of you already know, I'm sure, water gets in through either it be the windshield wiper seals or something. It gets underneath that carpet, and that insulation, that silence deadener, gets wet, never dries out. And this is why this looks like this.